Good morning, children. The last class we have seen the animals, herbivorous, carnivorous, and omnivorous. All these animals they have teeth also in their mouth. So now today we will study about the eating habits of these other animals, about snakes, mosquito, butterfly, frog, chameleon, cat, dog, elephants, and giraffe. How do they eat? So their eating habits are also different. Now coming to this point, snakes. Snakes, they do not have chewing teeth in their mouth. They swallow their food. They swallow their food. Even the small rat also, when they see their prey, they will be opening their mouth the double the prey. Double the prey means this much of the prey is there, but they will be opening their mouth this much of big. So the anaconda and cobra also, they will swallow their food. How? Even the deer also they can swallow, but they cannot chew the food. Now, mosquito has a sharp hollow tube in its mouth. This is the tube. When they sit on the body, what will happen? Like injection, you will feel like giving injection only, but they will be sucking the blood from our body. So what will you do? Immediately you will beat them and remove it. So butterfly has a long tube, but they will be sucking the nectar of flowers. These two are there. Then lizard, frogs, and chameleon. Lizards are the common animal which you can see on the walls near the tube lights and all. And many flies are flying near the tube lights. Then that time you can observe the lizard how they catch. Mostly the cockroaches they catch it. Now coming to this, frogs and chameleon have the same type of tongue. When they see the prey, they take out their sticky tongue and throw it towards the prey. The prey will turn the sticky tongue, it sticks out to the sticky tongue, and then they roll it back into their mouth. This is how they eat their food. Cat. Cat and dog, they have the teeth into their mouth to tear the pieces of flesh. But can they eat the water? No, they cannot eat. They lap up the water. They have the tongue. They take out, when you keep it the milk or water in the bowl, they lap up the water and drink it. Okay, then coming to the elephant. Elephant and giraffe. These two are having the different types of mouth arrangement, isn't it? So elephant has a long trunk. It helps the elephant to break off the branches and leaves, and it sucks the water with the help of the trunk and drink it. Giraffe, it has long neck. Can you see this long neck and the long tree also? However it is, they will be stretching their long neck to reach up to the leaves, plant's leaves, and they break it and eat it. Now, using its long neck to reach the leaves of all the trees, it comes under the herbivorous. These two animals comes under the herbivorous animals. Can you see this diagram? If possible, you can draw this diagrams in your notebook. Now I'll open your notebook, children, and the textbook also you can open it. I'll tell you the page number. Page number 203. I'll read out this lesson, this paragraph. Please listen to me. Snakes do not have chewing teeth. They cannot chew their food, so they swallow their food whole. A mosquito has a sharp, hollow tube in its mouth. It sucks your blood with the help of this tube. You can see this is the mosquito here. A butterfly has a long hollow tube in its mouth to suck the nectar of flowers. Now turn the page number 204. Lizards and frogs swallow their food without chewing. A frog has a long sticky tongue for catching its prey. When a frog sees an insect, it sticks out its tongue and catches the insect. The insect sticks to its tongue, then the frog rolls back the tongue into its mouth. A chameleon also has the same type of tongue. You can see this lizard, frog and chameleon. Dogs and cats use their tongue to lap up water or milk. Their sharp teeth help them to bite and tear pieces of meat. Coming to this, have you seen the trunk of an elephant? It helps the elephant to break off branches and leaves and put them into its mouth. It also helps the elephant to suck up water. You can see the giraffe using its long neck to the leaves of tall trees. This lesson, again children, you read it. Once again, I will read out. I will explain this. Please listen to me carefully. Snakes do not have teeth into their mouth. They will be pulling the prey into their mouth. They swallow their food. Mosquito has a sharp hollow tube in its mouth. They suck the blood from other animals and from the human body also. Butterfly has a long hollow tube. See, mosquitoes will be very pointed and sharp tube, and butterflies also have a long hollow tube to suck, to collect the nectar of flowers. Now, lizards, frogs and chameleons. Frogs and chameleons, they have a long sticky tongue to catch its prey. Lizards, they swallow it. Cockroach and all, this is very common animal. Chameleon and frogs you might have not seen. How do they catch? For that I suggest you to see the Animal Planet. You can see these animals while catching the prey. Even the snakes and also you can see the Animal Planet. So you will be more clearly understand how do they eat their food. Now cat and dog, they have very sharp front teeth to chew and tear the food, and they lap up the water. Elephant has a long trunk. It helps the elephant to break off the branches and leaves to keep it in your mouth, and also it sucks the water and drink it. This will help. Now giraffe has a long neck, using its long neck to reach the leaves of tall trees. Now all these animals you can again read in the textbook. You will understand. If you have any doubts, after when the school reopens, I will clear your doubts. Now you can see the different types of mouth parts. You can just compare this. You can compare these mouth parts of these animals, and you must try to draw these diagrams into your notebook. Okay, in our next class I'll explain you how to take care of the animals.